View of the reseller portal. This reseller portal has been enabled to be able to manage their own customers. Logging into your reseller portal, you will be able to see the reseller name and the reseller logo here. You will also be able to see the following headings here at the top. The headings are speed tests, account information, billing, usage, help desk tickets, leads, and customers. Let's start with the speed test. To start a speed test, click on the Run Speed Test button. It will first determine your ping and your jitter, then your download speed, and lastly your upload speed. You will be able to view a list of all previous speed tests at the bottom. Please note that to do a speed test, you will need to ensure that you are connected to your own network. Your customers will have their own customer portal in which they can do their own speed test. All speed tests done from your portal will be linked to your profile with the ISP. Next is the account information. First, you will be able to view your account information as well as your billing information. Under your account information, you have a sign-up URL. By sending this link to new potential customers, you will enable them to complete their own sales inquiry form. This lead will automatically be linked to you as a reseller. Next, you will be able to request account information or billing information updates for either yourself or your customers. To change the information, click on the Update button. You can change the information here and then click on the Request Update button. If you would like to do this for one of your clients, you can click on the Filter by Customer option, choose your client here, and then click on the Update button. Once again, you can change the details and then click on the Request Update. The same can be done for the billing information. So, we have 4 payment methods available: debit order, EFT, credit card, or cash. After making the relevant changes, click on the Request Update button. The account information updates or the billing information updates will then go through to the accounts department, who will need to either accept or reject the changes. Next, we have the billing information. From this screen, you will be able to view the invoice number or the credit note number, the date, the due date, and the invoice status. The status can either be overdue, unpaid, or paid. You will also be able to view the amount. To view a specific invoice, click on the View button. Your invoice will look similar to this one. You will also be able to download a statement for your client from here. Next, we have the usage details. Under the usage details, you will be able to see the usage for your specific customer. You will also be able to view previous month's usage and swap between different data accounts. Here we can see a usage graph with download and upload speed as well as dates. You will also be able to see how much percentage of usage has been used if the customer is on a capped package. You will also be able to see the monthly cost for the product. Next is the Help Desk Tickets section. From here, you will be able to view all your customers' tickets, but you will however not be able to submit new tickets on their behalf. To submit a ticket, click on the Submit a New Ticket button. You will need to add your ticket title, choose your department, choose the relevant ticket category, and then add your message in the ticket details section. After completing these details, click on the Create button. As you can see, all fields are required. To view a specific ticket, click on the ticket ID. Here you'll be able to see the ticket title, the category, and the ticket details. If this is your ticket, you will also be able to rate this ticket in response to the service that you have received or add a new note. To add a new note, you can add your text here and then click on Add Note. Here we can see the new note will be at the top. Next is the commission section. On your commissions page, you will be able to view a list of all commissions that still need to be paid. You will also be able to quickly email the invoice to the customer again or download the invoice. On this screen, you will also be able to pull your unpaid commissions report. Your unpaid commissions report will look similar to this one. You will have the internet service provider's details, your details, and here you will see a list of all commissions that need to be paid out. Remember that this unpaid commissions report does not count as a valid tax invoice. If you would like to be paid, you would still need to send a valid tax invoice to your internet service provider. Next is the leads section. Here you will be able to see a list of all your sales leads. You will be able to see the contact name, contact details, the status, the address, who the sales agent is, and what the workflow status is. For more information on the workflow status, please do not hesitate to contact your relevant internet service provider and ask them about the lead to receipt process. You will also be able to filter according to all sales agents, view transactions between different dates. From here, you will also be able to view the calendar events. So here we can see the event title, site survey, who the customer is, what the job type is, and at which location it will be taking place. You will also be able to add a new sales lead from here. For more information on how to submit a sales lead or how to complete the form, please refer to our lead to receipt video. The last heading is the customers heading. This screen will give you a quick overview of all your customers. You will be able to see the name, the type, data accounts, contact details, and what their current outstanding balance is. You will also be able to filter your list. From here, you can quickly go to your customer usage screen. From here, you can also quickly go to your customer usage screen, update the account information, go to the billing, view the specific customer's usage, or go to the help desk tickets section. If you have any other questions regarding the reseller portal, please do not hesitate to contact our DataTill support team or to refer to the reseller manual on our website.